everyone, it's Tracy and welcome back. This is another Mini Kit Monday kit that I had put together, and this is for the month of September. And let me tell you what, I am so excited that August is over. I hate the summer. I've lived in Texas and Southern California, and it's always hot, and I understand that, what do I expect? But I love the fall. So I'm kind of forcing fall, into my life. Even though it's 95 degrees outside, I am wearing shorts and a tank top. So anyway, I am thinking positive fall thoughts as I put this kit together. Now, I made a fall kit a couple years ago. And as I get items throughout the year, because sometimes I get Tuesday Morning or, from Freckle Fawn, that are fall related, I just throw them in that box. And so yesterday when I was pulling all these things out, I was able to pull everything from that box, and I anticipate using that again next month for October. And probably November as well. So let me show you what I am planning on using for the month of September. So this paper is from Echo Park. It's called I Love Family by Lori Whitlock. I love the plaid. Not so much about this. I don't really like this busy pattern. I have a hard time using that. But I love the plaid. And then this goes, I thought it went well together. I want to say this is a basic gray. Oh, no. I'm sorry. It's an older collection that I'm not that familiar with, but I think it was, well, I thought it was from a paper pad, but I guess not. And then there's this paper that I got, and that is from a paper pad, and I love this so much. I had a couple pieces of this, and this is my last one. My last video I talked about the Secret Not Secret Kit Club retreat that I went on in August, and there was a free giveaway table, and that's where this came from. So I thought that this screamed fall, it's Ellie Studio, September, October. So I may be able to use these, but I certainly like these colors. And then I felt like it needed a wood grain, so I pulled out two. I pulled out two wood grains. These are from Simple Stories. These are from the Snap Basic. I actually got these on Amazon because I love wood grain. And so that's it for the 12 by 12 cardstock. I am also, let me see if you can see this. I'm going to try to use this cut file. I need to fix it a little bit on one of my pages. So we'll see how this goes. And then I got this at the retreat as well. It's from Bella Boulevard. It has all these wonderful colors. I thought that they went with fall perfectly, and it is called Tiny Text. And then this was in my fall box. It is Fall is in the Air by Echo Park. I have a few pieces left, so I will try to use that up. And then I did have some, I got that as a gift from the retreat. I made this at the retreat. These would be good for, layers behind the photo or whatever I'm doing. There's a 6x6. I think that's from Basic Gray. Another piece. I've been hoarding this. I know, I'm absolutely crazy. I absolutely love this paper. It's one of my favorite of all time. So, I'm nuts. Okay, so this one is Photo Play Real Genius. And I love the stripe. Here's another Basic Gray. And looks very similar to this I Love Family. So anyway, those are the little scraps that I had put together. I also got a 6x6 pad while I was at the retreat. It is called Knock on Wood. It's by Lawn Fawn, and it's all 6x6 wood grain and different colors. So I'm going to add that to the collection. I don't know if I'll use that. Now, I know last month I had used one little ephemera pack, and I was so happy with what I did. Well, I went back to my old ways with this one, but everything in this either came from the retreat or it came from the fall box, so it'll be easy to put away. So I have the word family, and I have these little, these are, I'm going to call them Flair, but my friend Sharon, she made these, and they're tops of the wine bottle. So when you cut off the very top, she saved them and put some chipboard underneath it, and now it's a Flair. So I love the colors, perfect colors for fall. I have these Freckle Fawn epoxy button stickers, and they are definitely for fall. Love those. These are some cork labels. I can turn them over if I don't want the black lines. They'll by Freckle Fawn. I got this at the retreat. I think this came in one of my kits. Jen Hatfield, the gold safety pins, but it's got this beautiful, you know, leaf design on it. Let me see if I can use that. I got this at the retreat. I haven't seen this in a while. So they're like little metal frames, and you use brads to put them on your page. I'm going to try to use these. I'm kind of excited because I haven't seen these in a long time. I have this wood, it'd be better if I put it there. It's a wood frame, and it just needs a little bit of grinding down right there. But it has the nice colors. This was something that I got at the retreat. I think that was on the giveaway table. Let me show you. There is a pattern. They're metal. They're metal brads. You know, if I use it all up, I could probably use the paper too. Just thinking. I think I also got these at the giveaway table at the retreat. You know what? One man's trash is another man's treasure. Yep. So I think I grabbed almost all the brads. I love brads, as you can see. Now these I did get at the retreat. I'm going to open these up. I had to cut it open. It's by Creative Embellishments, and I think that is a Arizona-based embellishment company. Here. They're beautiful. There's, oh goodness, I didn't even know. And I can paint these. They're very thick. I don't know what they're made out of. It's chipboard, combination wood and chipboard. I don't know, but I am hoping to use these. And more than likely, what I don't use this month will probably continue into the month of October. This one does say October, but I have some photos last year from October, so I will probably use those. Oh, some more scraps. Now this one, I want to show you. I got this at the retreat. This was a gift that Cheeky Studios gave to all the people who went, the attendees. And it included this, well, it included sequins, so everything's getting stuck. Happy Place, this wood veneer, and it says Falling for Autumn Ephemera. And I don't think I've seen these before, but these are so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. It came with a couple bows. Look at the colors, and look how darling these are. See the little critters, the raccoons? They are so cute, and I love the oranges and the yellows. I had already used some of this when I was at the when I was making my pages at the retreat, and then it came with some sequins as well. So I'll be adding that. Okay. Then, now I pulled these out. This is some label stickers, just a couple of the colors. I'm not sure exactly, but I wanted to have some options here. I got this camera. This is from MK Guns, a gift that I got at the retreat, as well as that. This is from Freckle Fawn. In fact, I have a couple of these. There's gold in the cork, and it has, you know, fall leaves and pumpkins. It's called 15 Foil Cork Autumn Stickers. So there's that. And I had this in my fall kit, and this doesn't look like a very fall color, but it matches the blue in the paper that I chose. So pulled that out. Got some more Freckle Fawn stuff in here. I have these cardstock label stickers in fall colors. And then I have two of the alpha stickers. They're kind of small. I have two of those. And then I have these beautiful plaid puffy heart stickers. Aren't these gorgeous? I love those. And then the chipboard stickers, and this is for October, as you can see. And then I got this at the retreat. It was a gift, but I love I think it's for a planner, but there's some things in here that will be appropriate, and because it's kind of have some orange and yellow undertones, I think it'll be perfect. I have some corrugated board pieces that I got at the retreat from my sweet friend MK Gun. She's such a doll. Alright. In fact, all of these things I got from her. This, I think you just thread some ribbon or maybe some paper through it. That one's going to be a challenge for me. I've never really used that before. Anyway, so there's all of these items that I got from her. There's that. More corrugated. And then this is the last thing I'm going to show you that I am going to try to use. It's very similar to this piece here. And they are like little metal, they look like buckles. So it's going to be a challenge for me to use those because I've never used them before. So we'll see. We'll see how this goes. All right, if you have any questions, if you'll just leave them down below, and I will probably get, I don't know, I would say at least 4 layouts done. I'm not sure. Usually the first week, the way that we've been doing this is the first week we show the kit that we put together, and then the other Mondays of the month, I'm thinking that there's only 4 Mondays in the month of September. I don't know. I'll figure it out. And then the other Mondays we actually show a layout that we make with it. And then at the end of the month, I like to do a recap so you can see everything that I made and what I had left over in my kit. And then on to the next month. Now, usually there's a group of us that does it. I know Becky Bidding, she's the one that started this, and I've always loved watching her videos, and so I've been doing this, I don't know, 3 or 4 or 5 months with her. And then also Kathy Fagel, she's been doing this with us, and Daisy Nehmeyer has been doing it, and Dolly Boyd. So I'm going to leave links to their channels below, and anyway, if you enjoyed this, if you'll just give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, you know, just let me know in the comments, and then you know, subscribe. All right, thanks a lot, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye-bye.